Hey guys, welcome back to Container Crops, the Scaredy Cat Gardener. Guys, it is beautiful. It is that time. It's time to get your gardens going. I'm outside starting today. I am organizing my garden, planting things that should be planted together. I am planting a lot of my seedlings and other things that need to come on outside. So the first thing I'm going to do today on this video is remove my oregano from where it is and put it in the same pot that my rosemary is in because it pairs well together. And I will also be planting basil in that same pot today. So I'm not exactly sure how to get this out of this container, but let's get started. Okay guys, so this is my oregano right in here, and everything around it, as you can see, are my turnips that are still growing and coming back. So I kind of want to leave those where they are, but I need to get this one over to the container with the rosemary, so hopefully it will grow good. So let's get started. Like we pull that up. Oh, I need to be gentle in here. And guys, if you hear a lot of noise, forgive me, but their neighbors are doing construction in their backyard, so there's a lot of heavy equipment going on. So if I'm very low or you hear a lot of background noise, that's what it is. And I'm not sure how far down these roots go, so I need to be gentle. I also don't want to disturb my turnips. I think this is the only plant I need to remove this year. Thank God, because now I'm going to start to try to grow properly by pairing things in the beginning. Guys, these videos will be pretty much unedited, with the exception of me adding a few intros and things like that in there. Okay, I think she's up. Let's see. Not quite. Not quite. Trying to make sure I keep these roots intact down here. Guess it was going that way. Hopefully it will retake pretty good over there. Ooh, let's see. Get all that to go with it. Okay, I think we got her. See here. Yes, I got her. I'm going to shake some of this dirt off of here so that these, I guess, I don't know. Well, I'm going to shake some of this dirt off of here because I think if some of the roots are lightly exposed like this, I don't know. I think it'll take better. I have no proof, no rhyme, no reason, guys. No proof, no rhyme, no reason. But I don't want to disturb them too much either. Okay, look at my oregano. Ooh, I don't want to lose you. I don't know how many roots is down in there. Okay, beautiful. Okay, guys, I'm gonna walk this camera right on over to the other side. So bear with me if we got little lumps and bumps going on. Uh-oh. Okay, well, we're gonna have to leave that part. Let's see here. Okay, guys, so we were rudely interrupted because I believe that I pressed emergency call. So I want you all to be able to see, and I need to, let me see, I'm going to be putting it, let's see, right here. Can you guys see that? I need to lower my tripod. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to sit that down. Let's see if I can lower you guys down a little bit. Okay, I think that's perfect. I think that's perfect. Get my gloves back on. Okay. So here she is. Isn't she a beauty? Miss Oregano. And I'm going to put her right here. Let me dig a little bit. You know what? I really want to add, before I put her in there, I'm going to add some of my good soil in here. Just give me 1 second. Putting some more soil in here. Yes, a little bit here. So that should do it. Get my little rosemary leaves up. So I like to fill it. I don't know if you guys can see this rim. I like to get it filled up to the rim there. So a little bit more in here. That should be enough. These clumps up. Now I'll dig my little hole down here for her to sit in. She lasted through the winter out here, guys. I didn't do anything. I did not cover her up. I planted her last year. Press her down some so she can say, oh, I like it over here. I'll take root. I know y'all say, really? Yes, I'm talking to my plants. Okay. So now I'm going to plant some basil right here. Okay, guys, that's going to be it for today. We have transplanted our oregano over to a better pairing plant. And as you can see, it was growing quite well over there, so hopefully it'll take root. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and my favorite, guys, share me out, share me out. And remember, anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. And I'll see you on the trail.